It was almost 1 a.m. I thought the trains had stopped, but then an old creaking train pulled into the station. No one else was there. I got on. The lights flickered. The air was cold. Strange passengers sat silently, their faces pale, their eyes lifeless. My phone froze. The clock said 0:53. It never changed. I moved to the next carriage. Same people, same seats, identical, except one of them looked right at me. He had no eyes. I turned back. A woman was suddenly sitting next to me. Burned skin, black eyes, she whispered. Not everyone who boards gets to go home. I screamed. The others stood up, all of them staring. I blacked out. When I woke up, I was back at the station. Morning light, and one photo on my phone. A blurry image of dozens of dead faces staring at me.